how to choose best hospital, clinic, center or doctor for your hair transplant surgery. If you want to get your hair transplant done, obviously you would like to get it at the best place with the most experienced and talented and skilled doctor and team. But then how to choose them? It's a very common query which comes to mind when you want to undergo a hair transplant surgery. So in this video, let us discuss those points which you should keep in mind when you want to get a hair transplant done. मैं आपको एक important tip भी दूंगी how you can get those questions in front of you given by us when you want to go for consultation to a hair transplant doctor. Now, the important point is that there is a Peak AI feature of Saraswat Hospital app which will actually provide you with these questions. But we'll talk about it in the middle of the video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I am an American board certified hair transplant surgeon and I'm giving my services to Saraswat Hospital Agra for more than a decade now. Do subscribe to this channel if you want to get more such educational and informative videos regarding hair transplant. When you start finding out a good center for yourself or a good doctor for yourself, first of all, see the credentials of your doctor. Check out the degrees they have, what qualifications they have. According to the National Medical Council of India, hair transplant can be done by a properly trained and licensed registered medical practitioner. Apart from that, also see that your doctor has credentials from different international and national organizations. So they may be American board certified hair transplant surgeons. This is the highest qualification in the field of hair transplant. Being an American board certified hair transplant surgeon means a lot. Why? There is a rigorous examination of 4 Viva VOCE examinations and a 3 to 4 hours written examination, and only then you are given the qualification of being a diplomat of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. So it is that difficult. So once a doctor has this qualification, it means they are well versed in their field, not only theoretically but also practically, because you need a logbook of 150 cases before you actually appear for the exam. Apart from that, the doctors should be members of various international and national organizations like International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons. The latest World Congress now is in Denver from 15th to 19th of October 2024. So not only ISHRS but also Association of Hair Restoration Surgeons of India also, AHRS, and Asia also, AAHRS. Once you know that your doctor belongs to different societies and they are presenting papers there, they're acting as faculties, you know that they have sound knowledge of practical as well as theory in their field. Please like this video and then we can move forward. Also see that your doctor is experienced, and not only that, but the team is also experienced. Freelancers which move here and there in different centers and give their services at some point of time here and at other dates at some other place, usually they will not keep in touch with you after your surgery and your hand holding will be difficult. So if the team is an experienced team along with the doctor and it's a permanent team, you know that you will find them there even after you go after 5 years or 10 years, then that place is much more reliable than other places. If you have any queries regarding your hair transplant, you can write in the comment section below, or you can give us a call on the numbers below, or you can WhatsApp us. One very important point I want to emphasize here is that you please see that the center where you're going is licensed to perform this surgery and they have proper safety protocols also. Why I'm saying this? Because there have been mishaps previously where the procedure of hair transplant was being done at a place which was not licensed. I'm afraid I will not be able to give you full details, but the place where it was undergoing was a salon and there was a very bad mishap which happened there. So therefore, the place where you get your hair transplant done should be a proper center, hospital or clinic with proper licensing, with proper people. If you want to know how much hair loss you have, what grade of hair loss you have and what could be the possible treatment for it, you can click on the link above. Now when you go for consultation to a center or to a doctor, please see that the consultation consultation which you have gives you a long-term treatment planning. And the best part would be that they use a trichoscope to help assessment of your donor hair as well as calculation of your recipient area. आपको donor area में किस तरीके के बाल हैं, कितने अच्छे बाल हैं, and also recipient area में आपका result कैसा expected है. It is very important that the doctor does the slit making and the graft harvesting by himself or herself. The last part, which is putting the graft in the pre-made slit, can be done by skilled team under the supervision of the doctor. But the doctor should be present in your case and should be doing major work. Why this is important? Because the skills of the doctor are of utmost importance, and your case, your results would be best if doctor's involvement is much more. Also, latest tools should be used in your surgery. For example, sapphire blades if required, or CTS blades. Then the machine which should be used for FUE, if FUE procedure is being done, should be a low torque, low RPM machine so that the damage to the hair grafts is minimum. Besides, proper protocols should be taken care of. In the OT team, the staff should know which work is to be performed at which point of time so that out of body time of graft should be minimum. Good magnification loops should be worn by the doctor and his staff. And last but not the least, the hairline designing part should be amiable to both you and your doctor. You both should agree upon the hairline which is being made. Now let's come to those important questions which you should ask your doctor when you go for consultation. So if you download Saraswat Hospital app and you click on the PKI feature and you upload your pictures, you can actually find out how you would look after your surgery before even undergoing the surgery. So you'll receive your pictures within 24 to 48 hours, which would be reviewed by ABHRS doctors, which is me and Dr. Satya Saraswat. Apart from that, you will get a probable number of grafts which would be required by you for your hair transplant. And not only that, you will get a list of questions which you should ask your doctor when you go for consultation. This will help you understand your procedure in the most comprehensive way and will help you to plan your hair transplant as per your own requirement and needs. Do share this video with anyone who is planning a hair transplant surgery. If you want to see a hair transplant case study, please click the video on the left. And if you want to know the cost of hair transplant, please click the video on the right. Thank you.